So the Domestic Violence Community Annual Meeting is an annual event that we hold every year to kick off Domestic Violence Awareness Month. It serves as a place for members of our Domestic Violence Policy and Prevention Coordinating Council and our DV Network members to come together and celebrate the work that we've done all year long to serve families impacted by domestic violence. We'll hear a keynote speaker today from a child witness to domestic violence advocate and survivor, and we'll also celebrate some of our longtime community members who are kind of retiring and moving on and have left their mark in our DV community. The theme for this year's Domestic Violence Awareness Month is Be the One, and we chose that because we want to remind everyone that no matter their role and what they do for a living, they have the ability to make the difference in the life of a family that's been impacted by domestic violence. Everyone has the potential to engage with a child, to engage with a victim, and let them know that they're not alone and that there is help and hope out there for them in our community. Today we are launching our Child Witness to Domestic Violence initiative, which we are calling Step Up for Kids. We've asked attendees to the annual meeting to wear sneakers, and we're handing out purple ribbon shoelaces to kind of help mark and launch the event.
We want to create awareness because domestic violence is such a broad problem in our society, and it crosses economic lines, social lines, racial lines, ethnic lines. All families are potentially subject to is a very bad problem. So we want to get the word out, create awareness, and also create the awareness that there are opportunities where people can help. So one of our themes, Be the One. No matter who you are, you don't have to be a trained specialist in something, but you could be that key person in someone else's life to help them get through a traumatic experience and be able to move onward.
If someone is concerned about an individual, friend, family member, or someone in their community who might be experiencing domestic violence, whether it's a victim, a parent, a child, or someone who uses violence, Fairfax County's Office for Women in Domestic and Sexual Violence Services operates a 24-hour hotline, and that number is 703-360-7273. And if people want to know more about how to get involved in the Step Up for Kids initiative, they can go to fairfaxcounty.gov and search domestic violence.